Stacey, great job on the assignment. I think you did a very good job of making your module presentation professional. I like the background you chose on your PowerPoint, and I think the transition you used and the flow of it made it very easy to follow and made it look very crisp and clean and a nice professional assignment overall. So good job on that. I really liked your slide on effective assessment. It is true that we need to reach those high level thinking skills and make sure students are modeling what they have learned, not just regurgitating information. So I think you did a good job of bringing that to light and made me think about that because I think it is very important that we are making students reach and show what they have learned and not just seeing if they can spit back information in multiple choice assessment. So making sure we are reaching those high level thinking skills. Um, I think these videos are important. I think giving feedback this way would be effective as a future administrator because meeting in person takes time away from the classroom and it's not always easy to schedule after you would a principal would do an evaluation on a teacher. So I think these videos would be effective if used by a future administrator. I think it would be very helpful. So good job on your assignment. Keep up the good work as we are finishing up here our last few modules in this last couple of weeks of class. I can't wait to continue to learn from you. Good job.